Since we're feeling better, that guy's just like, yeah. We just want to get out. Oh, here we go. Makes me miss my garden. Just kidding.
They're really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that.
I can't see them unless you look really hard. But her rescue swimmer's there in the back. See him way in the back, toward the top.
Oh.
Tank. It's her rescue swimmer. In case something happens, he's got a dive gear on.
Look at this guy. Just what? That guy's just like, yeah. Check me out. Silverton. So Queen G and I are just sitting here relaxing. They have chairs here, so we're right here and we're watching the mermaid, and the mermaid was right here, and I'm like, let's hope she doesn't like fart and you see these bubbles coming out of her butt. And my Queen G goes, well, grab your camera. I'm a mom. Too funny. Queen G's loving this. She's like, so relaxing. Silverton. Feels really good to be out and about. Well, not out and about, but we just got done having lunch and now we're just chillaxing, getting out of the house before we get cabin fever. Alright, so since we're feeling better, it's been 14, 15, I don't know, we're losing track of the days. We went to Nellis Air Force Base. I got some tennis shoes, we went shopping, and then we hit the commissary, and we are now just cooking, or Jay's actually cooking, some Cincinnati chili. Gonna have my sister, my niece come over and join us and have a family dinner for once. So looking forward to just being around people. So here's Jay, he's
Cutting the cheese.
cutting the cheese, man, cutting the cheese. And the Cincinnati chili is pretty much done. It's just simmering. Do you want me to turn this off, honey? It's a bubbling. And then we have the pasta already here. We have the cheese, which she's finishing up on. And then we also have the diced onions. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so good tonight. Looking forward to Jay's Cincinnati chili. Just looking forward to being with family again. We're at the lakes and we're in the Hilton. We're taking a detour. We're trying to find an elevator through here, but if you ever have the chance to come down here, it's gorgeous. You'll see the lake. It's over there. So we're gonna have dinner here. And this is my type of swanky hotel, if you ask me. Ooh, look at this. Wow.
That piano?
Yeah, sure is. Just trying to find. Okay, there's the lobby.
Such beautiful things in here.
Yeah.
I want to live here.
You want to live here? Gift shop. Oh, yeah. Oh, that has elevators right here. Yay, we found it.
Do live in residency.
Really pretty. Oh, wow. There's a bar there. Very nice. This is totally my type of hotel. Yeah. What do you think of this hotel, Mom?
Beautiful.
It is beautiful.
We will have residency here.
All right. We're all wearing red, white, and blue today.
Patriotic.
Patriotic. Yes.
Drink for be patriotic. Oh, look at Chanter's got some, it's got crystal.
Can we get out? Did we go the wrong way? We just want to get out. Oh, here we go. Gorgeous. Oh man, makes me miss my garden. Just kidding. We're at the lakes in Las Vegas. It's beautiful, beautiful.
Beautiful green. Yeah.
wind is coming up, Mom.
Oh, the hotel wind.
Yeah.
I looked at to see how windy it was getting. For your auntie and I got in trouble.
Aunt Louise's hotel. Fond memories.
Can't take her anywhere.
Can't take her anywhere. That story is classic.
She finally told her side of the story.
I know. She even included a ride in a limo.
And it was my limo.
Meh.
She was taking my Cherokee.
It's that time. I'm gonna load up Racy Red onto the carport. I vacuumed, dusted, everything. Yours truly. It's our last day here in Las Vegas.